So I'll try as much as possible to just lay out some various tech roles that are available in tech, but this is just me just spilling out a number of tech roles or various careers that you might want to look at. So let's start. On planning stage, you say, okay, you have the solution architect, you have the project manager, you have the enterprise architect or thereabout. Moving on, you have infrastructure peoples, database administrator, server administrator, Windows administrator, Linux administrator, and things of that nature. Then you move on, you have the software developer, you have the software engineer, you have the UI UX person, UI UX designer or developer as the case might be, you have the front-end engineer, and you have a bunch of other roles, QA and things of that nature. You have the software solution test engineer and a bunch of things that comes in that line. And then you also want to talk about those who are involved in analytics, data and analytics. Then you go into AI and analytics, machine learning, AI engineer, algorithms and things of that nature, machine learning engineer, machine learning specialist, and things of that nature, data scientist, data engineer, data analyst, and things of that nature. Then you go into analytics and metrics. Then you have those who are focused on that. Then you'll be thinking about analytics tools like Power BI and stuffs. Then you're also looking at enterprise software applications or software as a service. Then you're talking about Office 365 and enterprise SharePoint thing, SAP and things of that nature, SAP consultant, SAP developers, IBM Watson developers, IBM engineers. When you're talking about cloud, you're looking at Azure, Office 365, AWS, Google Cloud, and things of that nature. These are the bunch of various tools or various roles that you can actually talk about. The lot of roles as well that I didn't talk about. I didn't really talk about anything about graphics designers or things of that nature, or illustrators, 3D designers, 3D illustrators and things, cinematographers, editors, and a bunch of things. There are lots and lots and tons of various IT roles and skills you can actually pick up. Then you might be thinking, all of this information that you have actually seen, how do I select a role or a tech career to choose? Honestly, I don't even have an answer for you. But the truth is, it all starts from you. What do you think you're actually so interested in, or things you think you can actually keep learning on and you don't really get bored with, or something that really piques your interest? If you're someone that really loves maths, there are lots of things you can actually look at. You can look into analytics, you can look into software development, you can actually look into algorithm, you can actually look into machine learning, you can actually look into data science. If you're not really into that, but you're also into planning things, you like planning things ahead of time, you might look into project management, you might look into a product manager, or as the case might be. You might look into business development and business analytics and things of that nature. If you're someone who loves artistics, who loves designs, who loves attention to detail, you might look into UI UX design, you might look into front end, actually look into graphics design and things of that nature. If you're actually someone who loves making things by yourself and thinking around things, you might actually want to become a software developer, right? You might actually want to write code, right? These are things that might be of your interest. If you're someone who just likes freestyling, you love solving problems, nothing specific, you don't like doing something repeatedly, you just like moving from things from here to there and actually solving problems, you might look into operations, you might look into management, right? That might actually be of your interest. This in itself are various ways you can actually look into in choosing a career for yourself in IT. There are tons of resources, there are tons of career roles or tech roles that are available, but honestly, as I said, it starts with you. Thank you very much.